Hello friends, if you are a music lover, then you must like TWS earbuds. Xiaomi ecological chain has many excellent headphone brands. Haylou is one of them. Many of you are familiar with Xiaomi Haylou GT1 wireless earbuds. But today, we are talking about the second generation Xiaomi Haylou GT2. The first seller of Haylou GT2, Banggood, has sent me to take a look. I'll leave link in below description if you wanna check current price. The Haylou sub-brand belongs to more luxurious category, but the price of Haylou GT2 is only $18. And if you analyze the prices of a GT1, then they will cost you almost $19 now. Don't forget to check out exclusive discount code in video description. Without further ado, let's open it up and check it out. On the front, it's the Haylou logo with GT2 TWS earbuds mentioned. On the side, we can see core features like Bluetooth 5.0, charging and storage case, true wireless design, lastly unified charging. On the back, it shows box content and specification, which I will cover up in a later section. Opening the box, you see nice black carrying case. Let's put it aside and see what we got inside the box. It has a user manual in English and as well as in Chinese. Also, you get a couple of ear tips. The shape of the case is round and oval shape with round edges, so you can hold them easily and are very easy to carry. The Xiaomi Haylou GT2 case doesn't have any logo design on it. You will only see the charging indicator on the case. But when you look at the earbuds, both the earbuds have the company logo on it. This Haylou logo is also the button from where you can control the activities. The buttons are physically controlled and the weight of the case is 35 grams only. However, the charging case lost its top cover. Yes, the charging case doesn't close and the earbuds just stick on the magnets. To be honest, I'm not sure if this is a good idea or maybe a cost cutting is the reason. What if a magnet fails and you lose Haylou GT2? It will be very unpleasant. Now I will test it, whether it will fall or not. No, it's a quite strong magnet. Even tapping from back or shaking hard, it wouldn't fall at all. Really impressive. The another different feature you get in the product is that the case comes with a charging cable. In my opinion, it is the best idea. The charging cable is given on the back side of the case. It is good as far as now you don't have to look for charging cable, so you can charge the earbuds anytime and anywhere you like. The size of the earbuds is now quite small as compared to older Haylou GT1 and GT1 Pro version. On the first, you need to remove these protective stickers in order to charge them. The small bean-shaped pieces can be worn standing up in your ear, but will also remain steadily inside when you hang them in. There is no blinking light when you wear and use them, so it can also be worn in bed. The battery life is acceptable for this price. The battery capacity of a charging box is 380 mAh and the earbuds for 43 mAh. The earbuds deliver 4 hours of playtime on a single charge, and the case can recharge them at least 3 times fully. In terms of wearing comfort, the Haylou GT2 TWS earbuds are in ear design and the use of anti-skid silicone earplugs. Not only anti-skid but also can fit the ear canal. Long-term wear will not feel pain. Very comfortable and not easy to fall off. Now let's try to connect with my phone. Take up 2 earbuds from the case. They will auto power on and pair with each other in 3 seconds. When LED on right earbud blinks, wait slowly, search for GT2 right earbud and tap on the cell phone to connect both earbuds to cell phone. It carries actual buttons you have to press. They are near the top end of the earpieces and they respond well to the touches. It's not too annoying to push this. The new GT2 earbuds are the best from the company in the voice feature, as the new earbuds comes with the DSP noise reduction. Press once to play or pause music. Press twice on the right side to skip a song. twice on the left one to return a song. In addition, it also supports the Siri, Google Assistants, or Xiaomi AI Assistants. To do this, you need to triple press to activate the voice assistant of your phone. With the Bluetooth 5, connectivity on the Haylou GT2 is decent. It has a strong connectivity up to 10 meters, and when walking, only a few minor dips may occur in areas most crowded with wireless signals. The earpieces pair and connect fast once you take them out of the case. For the sound quality, the new GT2 earbuds are equipped with a microphone and DSP noise reduction. During a conversation through earphones, you and your interlocutor will not hear each other well even if a noise is reached. One downside: the control system is a bit outdated. With no possibility to change the volume, you will often have to switch between the earpieces to your right ear. In my opinion, this is a very good deal if you need wireless earbuds with high quality sound, convenient control, and good battery life. We recommend you to buy these earbuds when we compare to others in the market. Haylou GT2 earbuds are already available for purchase, and you can buy them from the link below at a very reasonable price. Don't forget to check out exclusive discount code if you are one who is looking for the wireless earbuds which gives the great volume and is in the great price range. Then we must say this deal is not to be missed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews and unboxing. See you in the next one.